Now the third section of our landing page will be how it works. So in this section we will guide the visitors of our website that how they can get our service. Like here you can see that we will create a heading like this, how it works, then we will create this line, and then we will add a description like this. Our online procedure is very simple, just follow the below steps and we will start working for you immediately. Then we will create these columns like step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. In the first step we will write something like place your order. First of all, go to the pricing section at the bottom of this page and choose your desired plan. For example, basic, standard, premium, then place your order. In the step 2 we will write something like fill out the questionnaire. After placing your order you will get a questionnaire on the next page where we will ask you some question about how you want us to design your business card. You will also have the option there for writing to us a custom message. In the step 3, we will start working on your order. Once we receive your order details and questionnaire, we will start working on your order immediately. If we require any further information from you, we will contact you on your provided email. The fourth step is the order delivery. So after we complete your order, we will deliver it to you on your email address or any appropriate way to you, for example Dropbox or Google Drive. And then we will create this call to action button. So if the visitors will click on this button, they will be redirected to the pricing section of our landing page. So in this section we will completely guide our visitors that how they can get our service. For example, the first thing they need to do is to place their order, then they will fill out the questionnaire, then we will start working on their order, and once their order is completed, we will deliver it to them. Now again, creating this section is very easy. There is nothing difficult in it. We will create this section in just few steps. So we will go back to our dashboard and then we will scroll down to create a new section. So here you will see the plus button, just click on this and I will choose single row and single column for this section. Now the first thing we need to do is to create this heading. So we will go to the elements panel and from here we can drag and drop this heading element under this section. But to make it easy, I will scroll up and I will copy the heading of our second section. So I will right click here, then I will copy it, I will scroll down and I will paste it under this section. Now the only thing we need to do here is to change the text of this heading. The rest everything like the font family, the font size, the color of the text and the style and design of this heading will remain same. We will only change the text of this heading, so it will save us a lot of time. So for changing the text, we will go to the content tab and here under title I will remove this text and then I will write here how it works. So our heading is created. Now if you go to our demo website, so the next thing we need to do is to create this line. So again we will go back to our dashboard and we will go to the elements panel and here we will search for an element called divider. So this is the divider element. Just click on it, drag it and drop it below this heading. Now click on this line and under the content tab, the first thing we need to do is to change the width of this line. So by default it is in percentage. We will change it to pixel and then I will remove this and I will write here 300 pixels. Now if you see this line is left align, so we will make it center align. So here you will see the alignment option. Just click on center and this line will move to the center of the page. Now go to the style tab and here we will change the color of this line. So I will change it to a red color. You can choose your desired color from here. So I will write here a code EF3F49. Now I will click here. So you can see the color of this line changed to a red color. Now I will change the weight of this color to 3. So by default it is 1. I will change it to 3. So you can see the thickness of this line is now increased. Now if you see the space between the heading and this line is too much, so we need to decrease this space. So for this you will see here the gap option, and by default this is 15. So I will remove it and I will change it to 0. So you can see the space between the heading and this line is decreased. Now the next thing we need to do is to create this description. So again, to save our time, we will go to the second section of our landing page and we will copy the description from here. Now I will scroll down and I will paste it below this line. Now again, the only thing we need to do is to change the text of this description. So I will click here and then under the content tab, I will remove this text from here. Now I will go back to our demo website and from here I will copy the text of this description. Now I will go back to our dashboard and I will paste it here. So we have created the heading, the line and the description. Now I will simply click on the update button to update this.